what are the goals of using a design tool, right? The most basic goal is to create elements. I want to create a shape, I can create. I want to create a text layer, I can create. I want to group the elements, I can do that. But what's the other goal in context with user interface design? You use some smart features and accelerators to accelerate your execution process, right? For example, when you design screens, right, you will be using one kind of button, one kind of style in different screens, one kind of text styles in different screens. So you don't want to reinvent the wheel again and again and create that shape again and again, put the text layer under it again and again and changing the color, right? So you want to accelerate that execution process, right, by using different smart features, accelerators, right? And you also want to ensure consistency. For example, here I'm using blue color of this hex code. On the 10th screen, I also want to use the same color, not the different color. They want to ensure that consistency, not only for colors, but for everything, all the other parameters and properties, right? You want to design for reusability. I don't want to create things again and again. I want to reuse them. If I have created something once, I want to reuse them. For example, buttons, you want to reuse buttons. Icons, you want to reuse icons, right? And then design for scalability. You want to design something that you can scale up for different sizes, because in user interface context, we talk about different screen sizes. You want to make something that you can scale also.